one inside the factory inside the accessories, one to be removed, and then do a test. Let's first take our genuine. Ours is a copy of this one. Let's first compare this to this. Let's start with this test. This is 5.7 hardness. This is 96. We're testing the hardness of this keel. We're testing the side of this keel. This is 5.9. This 468%. Test is a simple one. The new of this era, the force of flow. Now it's 0, and we look at it as it flows, and what's the strength of it? This is very easy. Just twist it. That fluency is about 40 degrees. Forget it in a moment. We're testing this accessory for our living room. This is about 130 degrees. Accessories people do not move. There is no deformation. Because the accessories are not deformed. Do you know how to choose a good cigarette machine? This is the main part of the accessory. Here's its simplicity. Let's compare the other parts. This is genuine. We're testing his India. This is 74570 degrees. This is 49. Cool. Let's scrape the surface here and test his surface scrape. The surface scratches at random. He won't say anything about how to scratch this. It won't scratch any way it can. Yeah, it's great.